In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grok AI image generator. This tool is designed to streamline your creative process by quickly generating images based on your descriptive prompts. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or simply someone eager to experiment, this guide will walk you through each step you need to get started. Firstly, let's open up Grok and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, your Grok homepage will be your starting point. Here, you can easily navigate through different functions and tools that Grok offers, but today we are focusing on image generation. Next, within the Grok platform, you'll want to create a new chat. The chat acts as the workspace where you can interact with the AI, allowing you to input your prompts and receive responses in real time. Starting a new chat is simple and intuitive within the interface. In the chat, you should see a variety of options. Here, you'll want to select the option to create an image. This specific option is dedicated to generating visuals based on your text inputs, leveraging Grok's powerful AI capabilities. Clicking on this will prompt you to get creative with your ideas. Now comes the fun part. It's time to type your prompt clearly into the chat. Your prompt is essentially the description of the image you want Grok to create for you. Be as specific as possible to ensure that the AI understands exactly what you're looking for. Details such as style, color, mood, and specific objects can all be included to refine your image generation. Once you've crafted your prompt, you'll simply click the Generate button. This action sets the AI into motion, using its algorithms to interpret your prompt and create a unique image tailored to your description. Grok's technology is designed to understand a wide range of prompts, so don't hesitate to experiment. After the image is generated, you'll be presented with a selection of results. This part is where you exercise your judgment in choosing the image that best fits what you envisioned when you typed your prompt. Having multiple options ensures that you find an image that meets your creative needs. Finally, when you've settled on the image you love, it's time to download or share it. Grok allows for easy download so that you can keep a local copy of your image for your projects. Alternatively, if you wish to share your creation with friends, colleagues, or on social media, you can do so directly within the platform. And there you have it, a straightforward way to harness the creative power of Grok AI Image Generator. I hope this guide inspires you to use AI as a tool to amplify your creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy generating.